We heard that this temple had a lot of issues in terms of the clarity when people were talking. It was super reflective inside, so they wanted to see if the AME students could figure out a solution for that. We had to simulate everything first, build a model of the temple using just the dimensions in CAD software, and then we imported that into an acoustic simulation software. And once we confirmed that, okay, the model that we have is accurate, then we could start adding in the treatment plan. In the simulation software, we were able to decrease the reverberation time by about a second at the speaking level frequency. We had a lot of things to keep in mind when we were creating the panels. The biggest one is the fire pit in the middle. It would create a lot of smoke, so it had to be something easy to clean. It should be fire retardant or fireproof in some way. It's also just a religious space, so we ought to make sure that it confined with the religious aesthetics.
They are ideal engineers. The first solution never works, and they have been great about troubleshooting solutions and finding alternatives as well.
We have one prototype, and that was just to make sure it fit. But if the people at the temple here follow through with it, it should be around 20 to 24 panels to fill up the whole ceiling space.
We are looking forward to making more of the panels. They have said they're going to make some manuals for us to make more panels, and I'm sure it'll be very beneficial for our temple.